Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show us how to plot the stars in the constellation Orion using Canva. Now Canva is a graphic design platform that we can use to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. We can sign up for free with a Google account for example. Once we sign up, we can create a design by clicking on this icon right here. We can either import a file or do a custom site. In this example, we're going to do a custom site because we know that the width is going to be 857 pixel and the height is going to be 664. And we can create a new design. You can click on the upload icon to upload the graph. But since I already uploaded the graph, if we want to have this graph onto our canvas, we can click on that or drag it over. And we can click on this icon right here to hide these elements. Once we in our canvas, we can use this to rotate our graph. And we can use this to resize our graph. We're going to resize it so that it maps out to our canvas right here. We can click on File to, for example, edit and rename our project. So we can rename it to Stars in Orion, for example. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to plot the star using the right ascension and declination coordinate given here. So for example, Betelgeuse would have the right ascension of 5 hours and 54 minutes and plus 7 degrees. So we can go to our graph right here and see that on the RA it has the hour and minute. So 5 hours and 54 minutes is somewhere right about here. You can see, so 5 hours, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 54 minutes is right about here. And 7 degrees is right about here. And what we can do is we can click on this elements icon right here and search for the star symbol. You can do all the symbol if you want, but for me, I'm going to click on this yellow star right here. Okay. Again, right, we can rotate the star. We can resize the star. So let me resize the star so that it fits into this graph proportionally. I can use this to move it to 5 hours and 54 minutes and 7 degrees is maybe right about right here. You can click here and change the color to another one. For example, if you want, you can do it in red, or let me undo that to yellow. Another thing you can do is to click on this text right here to add the name to the star. So for this one right here, I would put in Betelgeuse, for example, and move it to here. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna repeat the same procedure for the rest of these stars right here. And also, once you're done, type in the star name like this. To save some time, instead of creating another star, you can point to the star you already created and right click and click on duplicate or press Ctrl D. And you can move this new duplicated star to the location of the next star in the Orion constellation. And once you are done, you can click on the share icon right here and change the link to anyone with the link. And for example, anyone can with the link can edit or view. Then copy the link and paste this and submit it into Canvas. Here is how the final graph of the stars in the Orion constellation looks. One other thing that you can do to help with the plotting is changing the zoom level. You can zoom in and out accordingly.